folks, it's Johnny Fields with Feels Good to Make You Products, and I'm here to tell you about my brand new, spectacular, amazing, bodacious, awesome product. That's right. Is the quarantine getting you down? Is your significant other getting on your last nerve? Do you find it hard to have your own space? Well, worry no more, because now you can buy and own the portable wall. That's right. Any open space is now your own sanctuary.
Do you keep trying to watch TV and someone won't quit yakking in your ear? Don't worry, Portable Wall to the rescue. Breakfast got you down? Are you tired of hearing about how bad this is for their diet? Wish you had a mute button? Well, you do, in the Portable Wall. Are you ready for that peaceful night of sleep, but are wondering, how do they still have stuff to talk about after 12 days of quarantine? Problem solved with the Portable Wall.
But wait folks, there's more. If you call now, you get a second portable wall for free with your own personalized message. That's right, you get your own portable wall with your own personalized message. That's 2 portable walls for the price of 1. Call now.
Hey, you want to turn it down, please?
Don't waste any more time. Call now. The Portable Wall. Save your relationship.